And now I'm gonna do a bike check. Fucking corner of the car over here. This is my bike. It's a custom fit. I got a fit 8x2 frame, 20.5 inch. Go start off in the front end. I got OD long neck, super soft edition, stretched out OD bar ends. Mutiny bars, I believe they're 8.5 rise. I bought them off my friend. My other one snapped. So. I got a fit. Go closer. No, here I got a fit stem, just burgundy red. I like it. Stock forks. You know, I hate stock forks, but I don't have the money to buy new forks because they're fucking expensive. I got a Salt Plus peg. Metal pegs kind of suck. I'm gonna switch to plastic soon. And I got a Shadow Conspiracy front hub guard and a Salt Plus wheel rim, Salt Plus spokes, and a Salt Plus front hub, burgundy red. Also, I got Odyssey tires, brand new. I just got them a couple days ago. Wow. Odyssey twisted PC pedals, American flag color, America. I got a Primo headset, and I got a Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket.
Damn,
Get up in that bitch. That's super zoom. Come closer. And I got just custom. I got the stock cranks that came with the bike. Shadow Conspiracy interlock half link chain. It's starting to fuck my sprocket up, so I might switch to a different one soon. And just a cult back peg, something shitty. And I just got a brand new wheel, Alienation Black Sheep. It's not bad, I like it, it's pretty strong. With a Mission React hub. Doesn't sound too bad. Pretty soon I'm gonna switch to a free coaster. Demolition D fat seat. I like fat seats because, you know,
oh, yeah.
Softer. Oh yeah. And I got a Primo seat post, pivotal seat post, because, you know, regular seat posts attached to a seat is kind of gay. Anything else? And just like a blue and green tire cap. I always put shoelaces around my hubs to keep it clean. Yeah, and that's my bike check. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and comment if you can, and please subscribe. Thank you.